Hey everybody, it's Patrick. I just wanted to do a quick little message for everyone out there. We sent a letter out last week that was letting everybody know that we are not changing our policy on canceled appointments or late appointments, but we are going to start enforcing our policy. So previously, if you were late or couldn't make your appointment and we had less than 24-hour notice, there wasn't any fee assessed. But if you recall, all of our original paperwork does say that we will assess a $50 fee. And now we're at the point where we are so busy, it's tough for everybody to get in here for their appointments that we are going to start enforcing this. Now we do understand that life happens. And so because of that, we do give everybody one grace a mistake or one grace appointment. So if you can't make the appointment, give us a call, let us know. We will reschedule it, and then we will not charge you that $50 fee. If it happens more than once in a 6-month period, that is when we will assess that $50 fee. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'm more than happy to talk to you about it.